CSUDH Student Financial Services. Make a payment tutorial. To begin, sign in at my.csudh.edu. Under Launchpad, click Toro Pay. Then click Make a Payment. Here you will see a list of all balances due. Check the box next to the balance you would like to pay, or check All to pay your total account balance. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Checkout to proceed. 4 payment options will be provided. You also have the option to enroll in a payment plan. If you prefer this option, switch to our Enroll in a Payment Plan tutorial. A link can be found in the video description below. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will use a credit card. Now it is time to enter your credit card information. Once you are finished, click Continue. A notice about service fees will appear. Please note that service fees are non-refundable and are paid directly to the vendor, Transact Campus Incorporated. Click I acknowledge to proceed. Then click Continue. A receipt will be emailed to you once your payment has been submitted. Please provide an email address where you would like it to be sent. Finally, click Pay to submit your payment. A confirmation screen will appear to let you know that your payment was successful. If you chose to pay only a portion of your account balance, the remaining balance will be displayed on your screen. A receipt is automatically sent to the email you provided. If you would like to print a receipt, click the receipt number. Then click the printer icon in the upper right-hand corner. Still have questions? Visit csudh.edu/sfshelp to get in touch with our Student Financial Services team. Thanks for watching.